Hey guys, Brad Garcia here with Real Estate Investing Made Easy. Thanks a lot for stopping by and watching this series on our LinkedIn messaging campaign. This is the first video in the series, and we're going to be going over the initial messages, what to say, how to identify people, and basically the start of the entire process. This is actually our internal video that we decided to release out to the world so that other people can see, because this is the exact process that you can use to find buyers for your cash and actually any of your deals for buyers nationwide, as well as your private money lenders. You can find either one of those types of people through this exact process. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe below. Thanks a lot. I just want to go through it really quickly on what it is that you'll be doing on a daily basis. First things that you'll see is that our automatic friend or connection requests will send out connection requests, and those that accept that and become a connection or a friend will have a thanks page. So you'll see here, let me see if I can find one. Here we go. Perfect. So the way that LinkedIn works is it will send this message out, but doesn't mean that we are friends with them or like a connection yet. Okay. So what'll happen is this gets sent out after they've accepted the connection. And then a little later on, or the next day, we'll also send a thank you. It's a confirmation. So those are the ones that we're looking for. And we'll go down here. These are from yesterday. So the way that I work to make it a little more efficient is I go down to the bottom one, just make sure there's no more thank yous. Okay, nope. And we'll go on their name, right click, open link. Click on the next one, right click, open. And so now I'm just going to open all of the ones that have either a thank you or a response. Now, these two guys I've been talking to, so I know these are ongoing conversations. So I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. But like this guy responded to that first message. Perfect. Same thing. This guy. We're going to open these up, these ones as well. And she just responded. So this one actually hasn't connected yet, which is interesting. But either way, we're going to open that up because she responded. And so what you're going to want to have open, it's okay, and we'll have these for you set up, and we'll have multiple options for you. What I have found as I've been developing this system is that a very conversational approach, the best response rate, people engage with you. Just a couple of messages, you can actually get an appointment scheduled, within the first 2 to 3 messages. It's really easy. Once you've broken down that barrier of, I'm a real human being, these are not automatic messages that are going out, because there's a lot of that goes on in LinkedIn. If you can break down that barrier and just create a connection really quickly with them, like a real personal connection, they're more willing to respond. Once they respond, I have a really good rate of return on setting up an appointment within 2 to 3 messages after that. So this is the one I've been using lately. Okay. So what you're going to do is copy this. Okay. Just put that to the side. And so we've come from here, we've gone to the first guy, and you're just going to run through these. Just click the message so that it's open. Okay. This is the guy we're on now. And what you're going to do is scroll down to where it says experience. Okay. And what I'm looking for is this real estate investor. Where's that title? I'm going to make sure that they're currently there, that it says present. Okay. And then I'm going to look at the time frame and the name of the business. So I'm going to right click here, paste. Okay. And what we're doing is just congratulating them on the amount of time that they've been investing with the company that they're with. And in this case, this is a message that's just going straight to it. How's the year been for you? How many deals have you done it yet? Okay, because we want to know that they've done a deal, because we're not going to be doing any done for you marketing with brand new investors who have not been through the process. This guy's been doing it for 1.5 years. So that's what we're going to say. Congrats on 1.5 years investing with, what is it? Fortuna Equity Incorporated. So congrats on 1.5 years investing with Fortuna Equity Incorporated. That's it. We just want to know that we want them to know that we're a real person. We have been to their profile. We've done at least the very bare minimum research to figure out who they are as an investor, which is the amount of time that you're investing and with what company. And now all we're going to do is send it. Okay. Because we've already got the rest of it out. This guy's done. Exit out of this webpage. And now we're on to the next guy. Click message. Okay. Real estate investor. Boom. Top tier holdings. He's still there for the last 3 years and 3 months. Okay. So we're going to right click. Normally what I'm looking for, if it's like 3 years and 3 months, I'm saying like on over 3 years investing with, let's see, top tier holdings. If it was like 3 years, 5 months, I would just say 3.5 years. If it was like 3 years, 10 months, I would say like almost 4 years. It doesn't have to be exact. I mean, you can, but it doesn't always have to be. Sometimes that gives more of credibility to you as being a real person also, that it's not some program just pulling that information out of LinkedIn. All right, like in this case, 3 years, 11 months, okay? Right, so Cypress Enterprises is the company he's an investor with. So right click, congrats on almost, we're gonna say 4 years, right? 3 years, 11 months, almost 4 years, investing with Cypress Enterprises. Yep, okay. Okay, we're just gonna do this until we get through all of these people. So that's really, as far as initial messages go, that is how you're going to go through your initial contact for LinkedIn. And you'll know if you're in here daily who responded to you, and it's going to be an ongoing conversation, and who it is that you still need to send an initial message to. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that first video in our series of LinkedIn messaging, trying to identify buyers and private money lenders. The second video in the series is going to be located right here. Please click to view that one. It's going to be going over the ongoing conversation. Hope you enjoy that. If you did, leave a comment and a like below.